Hey guys, today I want to go and show you how you can go and set up Kick alerts for streaming on Kick. So if you're a beginner, go check out this video and all my other videos. I have a whole playlist with a lot of Kick streaming tutorials. If you like this video, give it a like, comment down below what you think. If you have any requests, let me know. So guys, today I want to go and show you how you can go and set up alerts on Kick. There's a good bot that does all that. So you go to botrix.live, and when you're in there, you can go and choose on the top right. If you don't speak English, you can see there is no login with Kick, but it's not the problem. You can go and log in with one of 4 of these logins, and then you can go and connect your Kick with Botrix. What I do is log in with Twitch. Alright, so when you're in here and you connected your Twitch, there is a Kick one. For me, it's linked right now, but if not linked, then go and connect it with your Kick. After that, you log out of Botrix and you log in again. It's set up for platform for Twitch here. So this is all here, platform Twitch. It's alerts for Twitch. So what you do is you go to here, when it says here, you go just click on settings, and now it changed to the platform Kick. So now you get all alerts for Kicks. By the way, it's all in beta. Kick is in beta and Botrix is in beta, so be patient. Now we on profile. Let's go to alerts. That's what we want to do. You can see I already set something up. I will not change much about it, but so if you're first time on Kick and set up the bot, you will not go and need to go and set up subscriptions or gift subs, because it's for just affiliates on Kick. So let's go right away to followers. Also, Kicks, it's there, but it's not in Kick yet. So let's go to followers. Here you can go and set your alert to active and not active, your style from default, compact, or Botrix, whatever you like. I will go back to default. You can choose the position. You can see it's very good explained. Then alert duration, how long it should be. For some reason it is in Spanish. So here animations, how should be the alert come in and out. You can choose a lot here. Then when you have your own image, you can upload your image, also your own sound. You can go and get the sound loudness. Also the message, how it should appear. The white, then I got some blue for the bottom text. Like top text is like subscribe blah blah. Bottom is like James D Music subscribed, followed your channel. You can see different fonts. That's pretty cool. Also they showing how they look like. Text height, text animation, how should be the text appear. Font size. Text, what you want to say, like you say hey, thanks for the follow, or welcome to the group. You can use your custom code, so if you're programming, then yeah, you can import alerts. So then click on save settings. So copy the link and then paste this one into OBS. Alright, so when you're in OBS, you just go, and when you have your scenes here, you go and click new source, browser. You can write whatever you like, Kick alerts. Click OK. Paste in the copied link. Click OK. Get here your alert window. You can see it. So when I go now back to Botrix, you can now click on followers and it shows up the alert. So let's do that. So you can see now my alert. You can go and drag them around. You can change your size, whatever you like. Alright, so when you got this, you can go and set up all of these each alerts. But if you're affiliate, go set up your subscriptions, your gift sub, your rate. You can always go and set up your rate. So before I end this video, I will go and give you some more little tips. So when you play your alert, right now you can hear it. And it's showing up. But if it doesn't, make sure you have your Kick alerts on the very top of all windows. If you can't hear the sound, you need to go and refresh it. So double click there, scroll down and click on refresh cache of current page. Sometimes it helps, so click on that, click OK, and then just go and trigger the alert again, and hopefully your alert works. So all these options here, all these alerts for subscriptions, gift subs, rates and follows and all that, they have a default alert. So if you just click on subscriptions and you haven't set up anything, you just copy the link, do what I showed you, and there's a default alert, so you don't need to do anything. That's pretty cool. Alright, so on the end of this stream, please go check out all my other Kick tutorials. Maybe it can help you a lot with that. I have a whole playlist with Kick streaming. There is how to go and download the VODs, how you can download VODs and clips on Kick. There is how you can go and set up the Kick with OBS, best settings, how you can go and get the Botrix chat into your live Kick stream, how you get affiliate, how you set up commands, basic guide. I hope I can help you with that. Please go and check it out. Please like this video if you really enjoy and want to support me. Also subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any requests, let me know in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.